Welcome back. Well, hot and humid weather with the risk of afternoon storms staying in the forecast. But today, new news coming from Dr. Phil Klotzbaugh out of Colorado State. Let's get over to the Key Wall and talk about this. He's updated his forecast for the 2024 Atlantic Basin season, and he's upped the number of tropical storms by 2, the number of hurricanes and major storms by 1. And this is the highest numbers he's ever gone for. The ones that he issued in April was the highest forecast. And this is looking to be a hyperactive hurricane season. All the factors that we look at, record sea surface temperatures, the La Nina that's developing, upper level wind shear is very light. So that means storms can get going, and an above normal West African monsoon should spawn more tropical waves coming off the African coast, especially in 2 to 3 week time frame. And again, analog years that are similar to the conditions that were talked about right here, the hyperactive season of 1933, 1995, 2005, and 2020. And all of those, we had big storms in the Gulf of Mexico. So be ready this year. We'll see how it plays out. But right now, it's nice and quiet. Now, we're still tracking the remnants of Beryl. Beryl, by the way, probably going to get its name retired because it was a Cat 5 down in the Caribbean, did major damage in the southern Windward Islands, and also Jamaica. Was a much lesser storm as it hit southeast Texas, but nonetheless, still producing headaches with the threat of severe weather and heavy rains off to our north. Meanwhile, locally, most of the tropical shower activity has moved off to the south and east as expected. It's been a relatively quiet afternoon across Acadiana, with just 1 or 2 pop-up showers down across the coastal parishes late this afternoon. A little bit more activity still ongoing as you get along the I-10 corridor between the Laplace Reserve area over toward NOLA on the southern flank of Lake Pontchartrain and going over to Lake Bourne, but things are quieting down. Bonus for tonight with skies fair, we get a chance to see the International Space Station. Set your phone or watch alarm for 9:20. It's going to be nearly overhead at 9:23. It'll be coming out of the southwestern sky and moving off to the northeast, and this time around 12 astronauts on board, and including the 2 that came on the Boeing Starliner capsule that are stuck on the station because they have some issues getting away from the station and coming back. So we'll see how that plays out. They've been on the station since early June and was only supposed to be a few-day visit to the International Space Station. Hopefully they have extra Cheetos on board, something like that. Weather-wise, it looks really good as you look across the Atlantic Basin. Very quiet out here, plenty of African dust. So right now, the National Hurricane Center not expecting anything to develop in the next 7 days, and it's probably going to be longer than that. In addition to the dust, we see a couple of tropical waves in the monsoon, African monsoon, but they are surrounded by dust as well. So it'll probably be 2 or 3 weeks before we see the tropics picking back up. So scattered activity tomorrow, but not much indicated on the graph model, 20–30% at best. As we head into Thursday, a little bit more coverage of showers and thunder showers. And then going into Friday, we'll probably see better coverage of showers and storms. So we'll go 30, 40, and then 50% for those days. Temperature-wise, back into the low to mid-90s tomorrow afternoon with that heat index flirting with 100 degrees, but not too terribly high heat yet, but it gets hotter into the 10-day forecast. So generally a quiet night tonight, just a slight chance of a pop-up shower out there. 78 to 80 your low, 92 to 94 the high tomorrow with scattered showers, and maybe a thunder shower as we head into the afternoon, but any activity should be brief and not too terribly heavy, so that is the good news there. As we move into the 10-day forecast, we'll see those temperatures low to mid-90s continuing, overnight lows upper 70s to near 80, and the chance of a shower or thunderstorm on any given day through the next 10 days. July just being July right here. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on in the show.